Did you know that tomatoes are a powerhouse of nutrients and flavors? These vibrant fruits, yes, fruits, not vegetables, are more than just a staple ingredient in your kitchen. They encompass a whole spectrum of types, colors, and varieties, each with its unique taste and nutritional profile. From the juicy beef steak to the sweet cherry tomatoes, each type adds a distinct flavor and health benefit to your meals. So next time you see a tomato, remember, it's not just a fruit, it's a powerhouse of health and flavor. Tomatoes are more than just a juicy addition to your salad. They're a health-boosting treasure. These vibrant fruits are packed with antioxidants like lycopene, which shields our cells from damage and lowers the risk of chronic diseases. When it comes to heart health, tomatoes are a friend indeed. Their potassium and vitamin C content work in tandem to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. But that's not all. The vitamins A and C found in tomatoes can also promote healthier skin, reducing signs of aging and enhancing overall complexion. If you're looking to manage your weight, tomatoes could be your new best ally. Low in calories and high in fiber, they can help you feel fuller for longer, thereby reducing your overall calorie intake. But let's not forget about bone health. Tomatoes are a great source of vitamin K and calcium, both crucial for maintaining strong and healthy bones. There's even research suggesting that the antioxidant lycopene in tomatoes can reduce the risk of certain cancers, particularly prostate cancer. And let's not overlook the role tomatoes can play in improving vision. Being a good source of vitamin A, they can help maintain healthy vision and prevent night blindness. As for digestive health, the fiber in tomatoes aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut, reducing the risk of constipation and other digestive issues. Tomatoes are about 95% water, making them a hydrating food that can contribute to overall hydration levels. And finally, compounds like beta-carotene and quercetin found in tomatoes have anti-inflammatory effects, helping to reduce inflammation in the body. With such a range of health benefits, it's no wonder tomatoes are a staple in cuisines around the world. From salads and sauces to soups and sides, tomatoes fit right into any meal. Their versatility is truly remarkable. Whether you're whipping up a classic Italian pasta sauce, a spicy Mexican salsa, or a refreshing Greek salad, tomatoes are a key ingredient that instantly elevates the dish. Their rich, juicy flavor adds depth to a variety of cuisines, while their vibrant color enhances the visual appeal of every dish. With tomatoes in your kitchen, you're just a step away from a flavorful and healthy meal. Let's recap the amazing journey we've had with tomatoes today. These vibrant fruits are a flavor and health powerhouse, packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. They're not just a staple in our kitchens, but also a boon to our well-being. From bolstering heart health to supporting weight management, promoting skin health, and even potentially reducing cancer risk, tomatoes truly deliver. So go ahead and add that extra tomato to your salad or sauce. Not only will it enhance the taste, but also boost your health in numerous ways.